In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets to ActiveCampaign. Let's get started. The first thing that you have to know is that ActiveCampaign doesn't have a direct built-in integration with Google Sheets, but you can still connect them using a bridge tool, which is Zapier. Zapier is the bridge or the middleman between applications that don't natively talk to each other. And the only thing that we need from ActiveCampaign is you want to go to the left-hand side and hover down to the very bottom until you see Settings. On Settings, you want to go to Developer and you want to keep this tab on because we will use this later for Zapier. Now, you want to head on over to Zapier.com. And on Zapier.com, log in, and on the left-hand side, you want to click on Create and then Zaps. On Zaps, let's select a trigger. And the trigger would be on Google Sheets. Let's choose an event. And that is new or updated spreadsheet row. Let's do this. And you want to connect your Google Sheets. Then once that is done, it will be added here. Then click on continue. And then the spreadsheet, just choose the spreadsheet that you want to add it here. I just want to add this one. Then the worksheet. The worksheet is this one. And the trigger column should be whatever. So let's just click on continue. Now we want to test this trigger. Let's just test trigger to confirm that it is set up correctly. And then click on continue. Now what you want to do is on the action, you want to click on ActiveCampaign. If you can't see this, you just want to search it up. Then go to choose an event. So you want to do this to whenever let's say it is for a contact. Let's just add contact to account. Then continue. Then the contact ID, let's just add whatever. And also on the setup, the account, we could actually connect a new account, and just to show you the process. And you want to copy everything on this developer, the API key, and the API URL, and then paste it into Zapier. Then it should be connected. And when you configure, just add a account ID. Let's do Bob Builder and a job title for whatever, and click on continue. And that's about it. That's how to connect Google Sheets to ActiveCampaign. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.